makare kare pasi pasati parohwane nyundo pasi pachatswinywa pachibuda mvura majaya achatambe chikinya iyo ngazindo vadaita vakanda kare onando vadaita vakanda kare we ngazindo vadaita vakanda kare onando vadaita vakanda kare we.
So book Healing or Hiding rakabva pa inspiration ndaona kuti chinhu chinonzi pain kana kuti marwadzo chiripo zvachose. Pain is a constant. So what do we do? Tinoihandisa here kana kuti tinorapa? There has been so much stereotype around that title yekuti life coach. You know, like sometimes when I move around I have people who ask me, oh, life coach wakadzidza upenyu kupi wewe? But one thing about life coaching, a coach is not a player.
Right.
Sekuru handizivi kana muchiona bhora. Imi munotogona kutoita coach. But muground kuti mupinde, it's something else. But there is a lot surrounding chinonzi divorce.
Right.
It's not an easy decision. Kuti wakamboti till death wozongoti handichatgone. And it's very sad. Ma statistics akutaura kuti 5 marriage Sekuru. 1 is likely to end in divorce. My reasons achona akawanda. And the funny thing is poverty namo nzara iri pa number 3 pa top 10 yema reasons of divorce. Imagine.
Welcome again to another exciting edition, another thrilling edition of Sekuru Hwesa Talks with your host Chiremba Hwesa Masango. Today we have got Miss Mabel Marcelene MASIGALE.
Yes.
Madam MASIGALE, welcome to Sekuru Hwesa Talks.
Thank you, Sekuru.
Sekuru, unoera chimtupo.
Dziva, masiziva.
Masiziva. Tokushinga midzemla ra Sekuru Hwesa.
Thank you, Sekuru.
Meta zvanaka muzuru kuya pano. Nokuti pano isusu chikusha tinoda pana muzukuru. Toda kudzidziswa.
Chokwadi.
Saka kuya kumeta penyu panapa. Sekuru vatona kuti aiwa makakodzera kuti vadzidzise vazukuru.
Tinotenda.
I'm very happy panapa ndine bhuku renyu rakanzi Healing or Hiding.
Yes.
We are going to talk about this book. Asama sizivaka, before talk about this book, tell us, Jimiani, your professional side. Please.
Thank you so much, Sekuru. Ini ndinonzi Mabel MASIGALE, ndiri musikana ane makore 27 ekuberekwa. Pa kushanda titasa the professional side, ndiri administrator.
All right.
I have a bachelor's degree. Randakawana ku MSU 2022. Right. I graduated. Nerimwe divi ndiri murimi. I'm a horticulture farmer.
All right.
Yes, that's what I also do. On the other side, I am a certified public speaker.
Wow.
I am a published coach.
Yes.
I am also into zakaita say MC. I do my events. So right. Yeah, kuita zvakawanda wanda.
No, Mzurangu, I'm so much inspired. And I hope your journey and your success stories shall inspire also girl child.
Wonderful.
It's wonderful. Sembereke kuwari mwana musikana akuchazvizva munoita izvi zvamakaita. Panapa ndine bhuku renyu Healing or Hiding.
That's true.
Discovering, uncovering and recovering from hidden emotional pain to wholeness. Yes. Mabel Marcelene MASIGALE. Yes. First and foremost, I want to congratulate you for such a book.
Thank you so
Wonderful.
much. Thank you so
much. I want
much.
you to inspire other girl child with such works. MASIGALE. Tuzive kuti ndingitare bhuku renyu iri ndekuti chi uyezve message iri mubhuku menyu umu zvamauta kuendesa kuvanhu isusu mareaders enyu.
Yes.
What are you telling us in this book?
Thank you, Sekuru. So book Healing or Hiding rakabva pa inspiration ndaona kuti chinhu chinonzi pain kana kuti marwadzo chiripo zvachose.
Alright.
Chirungu chinoti pain is a constant.
Alright.
Zvinoreva kuti hazvishanduke. Pane zvinhu zvatisingagone kudzima kana kubvisa. Zvinongovepo. So pain zvairipo kudaro. What do we do? Tinoihandisa here kana kuti tinorapa?
Alright.
So in so doing, the way that we handle pain ndo inoratidza mafambiro atinoita mukurarama. When we hide that pain, it doesn't disappear.
Alright.
So chinozoitika, marwadzo anotraya kuhwandiswa anozobuda. That pain will manifest in several ways. Pamberi apo.
Right.
Tozochiona maitiro emunhu kuti hasha idzi hadzidzi zega. But tikatarisa panenge paine zviripo. For example, psychology inotaura kuti anger, it's an emotion primarily.
Yes.
Inoziva kuti you are being treated unfairly.
Right.
Ukanzwa hasha, pfungwa dzako nemwiri zvinoda kukuchengeta kuti apa hatina kubatwa zvakanaka.
Right.
But how do you react and how do you handle that?
Right.
So either you heal or you hide that pain, but there are consequences.
Right.
So bhuku iri rinoadresa nyaya iyi.
Alright.
Ndo pane nyaya yese ndinodingindira rebhuku.
Alright. Hey. Yeah, ndikuna mune so many topics dziri mubhuku ndakavhura panapa. I'm coming across a lot of topics.
Yeah.
So what inspired you to write this book?
As a child of God, I was inspired to write the book so we can heal the world together. Kana paino chinodiwa naMwari kuti vanhu varapwe.
Right.
Mwari havadi tigare mumarwadzo. Kana shoko raMwari rinotaura kuna Isaiah 53 nemavanga ake takaporeswa. So chandakaona sevanhu, we are quick to point kuti apa pana kumira zvakanaka. Izvi hazvizvo. But what do we do? Do we bring my solutions or tingoripo pakungonongedzera chete? Kuti izvi hazvizi. So I got the inspiration yekuti no, inini, let me try and close the gap between what we know and what we have to do. Zvatinoziva zvisina kumira zvakanaka nezvinoda kugadziriswa. That's how I managed to write the book. Yanga iri gap filling about that pain.
That pain. Okay. So this pain, you have ever experienced the pain shop level yokuti akomana ndakarwadziwa. And also imimi ngora kwenchicha zvinji zvinyenza kunza pain zhinji kuvanhu. Kuti pain ai pain yakaoma iyi.
Yakaoma.
Nebhuku iri keri munhu ane pain yakaona kurikidza nezvakati kuti kusa kumubatsira. Ndipo mapain akawanda ka.
Chokwadi.
Mapain akawanda kutokabewa nechigumwe nechimunzwa. So tukara msako tutubewa nemupatara uya. Pain yauzobabeleka yakatooma. Kakutoko tumwana chirize ipain zvakare.
Sure.
Kakutongorambwa nemwe munhu so itoti pain. Anogona. Saka chisangure mapain amukataura mimi kuti vanhu can benefit from this book.
Yes.
We are going through such situations. Yes.
Yeah, thank you Sekuru. Inini personal experience ndingangotaura kuti zvinonzi kugara nakaona dzevamwe.
Right.
In my life, yes, I've experienced pain semunhu anorarama, but depth yekuti ndinyatsonongedzera ndinenge ndanyepa. But through observation, mukurarama, mukugarisana nemukuona vamwe vanhu, I saw a lot of pain that people go through. So chekutangisisa is childhood trauma.
Right.
Pain yepakuzvarwa nepakukudzwa kwemunhu.
Right.
And I had to address maronda anobva kuna mai, maronda anobva kuna baba. Not nekuti vane utsinye o vanoshaisha, asi nekutongoti they are human being.
Right.
Pane zvisingagonekwe nemunhu wese. So mukukura kwa baba, mukukura kwa mai, zvinhu zvavakasangana nazvo zvinotapukira kuvana. So that childhood pain, I had to address it.
Right.
Now panotaura statistics Sekuru, do you know vanoti vanhu vari mumarriage 90% yema problems emarriage haizi yekunetsana kwavo. Inobva pachildhood. Only 10% ndo ma differences
background contribute to the
90% background yemunhu. 90%.
Right. Yeah.
See that margin?
Sure.
Only 10% ndo yema differences. So I had to bring that up.
Right.
There is pain ye childhood trauma iripo that I had to address.
Yes.
Pain ye behavior that I also addressed. And the most difficult, pain from death.
Yes.
So I managed to cover all that in the book.
On the book. Wow. No, I could hear the saying, turn that pain into power.
Yes.
No man ever steps in the same river twice. For it is not the same river and is not the same man.
Yes.
So how do you turn that pain into power?
That's very true. So one thing about pain, like I said initially, pain is a constant.
Right.
Pain is there to stay.
Right.
So chiripo is
Right.
what you do. Zvinonzi, life is how you react.
Right.
It's not what happens to you, but how you react to what happens to you. So even in that pain, you can still turn it into power. Pain is not meant to crush you forever.
Okay.
Haizi nyaya yekuti kana wadonha woramba wakatsimbirirwa. You can actually rise from that pain and turn the pain into power.
How to do it now?
Your pain is just a training ground.
Right.
Mukatarisa zvinoitika kune vanhu vane upenyu hunorwadza. Pamwe mwana ari kufamba 10 kilometers achienda kuchikora achidzoka. Yes, in as much as it is painful for that season, atitarise kuti urambe uchirwadziwa with the same pain forever. Yes,
Right.
ndo saka proverb rataura kuti no man steps into the same river twice.
Right.
Hakuna munhu anowira murwizi katu. Zvatosiyana, it is no longer the same river.
Right.
Pakuti wakutoona the same problem ne different approach. Kana wanga uchitya kudzika, wakuona kuti maybe it's not that deep. And he is not the same man.
All right.
Zvatochinja. So my experiences, they change our perspective, maonera tinoita zvinhu, and our reaction. So your pain is something that you can actually use. Tikatarisa muBible, there is the story of David.
Right.
Anonzi ari mukomana ari kumafuro. Hakuna aiona zvaiitika.
Right.
But that pain was his training ground. Antaura kuti at one point he had to fight a bear. At one point he had to fight a lion. Zviri kuitika kumukomana. Zvinhu zvinorwadza kuti mwana mudiki ari kusangana nezvikara zvakadaro.
Right.
But later on, panosvika nguva inosumuka muFiristia inzi Goliath.
Right.
Vanhu vese vachitya vachidedera kumurwisa. But David anotaura kuti inini kumafuro zvandakasangana nazvo.
Yes.
Zvandakasangana nazvo. Kuzoti uyu zvake uyu. So pain, sometimes it actually trains us if we handle it that way.
Thank you so much. You know, I don't know how to explain this, but in Ansonzwa, I said I will reflect the pain which I went through probably as a person in my life. Not how you are. But training ground, to be where I am today, and it
turn it into
no
power.
matter what challenges you come across, there should not be your crashing point. You should fall down and rise. And say, I've learned from this. We'll learn from the mistakes we do every time.
True.
We'll learn from the curves we take sometime, the wrong turns we take. We'll learn. So if you don't learn from those things, something will be wrong with you.
Yes, don't waste pain.
You need a life coach now.
Don't waste pain.
Thank you so much for our first segment. As we come back in the next segment with Mabel, MASIGALE, we'll be talking about a person as a life coach. My name is Hwesa Masango. What a wonderful book. It's good. Well done. Keep it up.
Thank you, Sekuru.
Dare guru bugere mugundi anengoni Ishenda buka mandi isa chiche mugunda mambo Dare guru bugere mugundi anengoni Yebutanga kuna maduwere Yebutanga kuna maduwere Mweya ndisitsira obudare Utinda bakonda ona mwana nechishemo Ati ndikanyengetera mugokasika kucheukawo.
Welcome back to the second segment of another exciting and thrilling show on Sekuru Hwesa Talks with your host Hwesa Masango. Today we host a gospel author, a life coach, a certified public speaker, Mabel Marcelene MASIGALE. Mama Siziva, tukuchikamidzai to our second segment. Pano pa Sekuru Hwesa Talks. Dara chiremba mkuru, chiremba wenaro.
Sekuru Hwesa. Thank you.
Aditika. Uza mzukuru wangu. Ndani makuru mazhinji nchiwanzi life coach. Ndina life coach, ndina life coach. So neshout, life coach. Chichilo muz life coach. What does it take to be a life coach?
Yes.
Do you have to go to school to be a life coach? Ungumu wa life coach here? Or my life coach anu wa kuchechi here? Munakino chechi ansota life coach here? yatotudzewo kuti tizive nango vazukuru vangu nasekuru vatodza tizoti what is a life coach, what does a life coach do?
True. Yeah, thank you, Sekuru. So basically, a life coach is a professional.
All right.
Zvinoenderwa kuchikoro.
Indeed.
This is a trained person
Okay.
who is there to offer guidance. There has been so much stereotype around that title, yokuti life coach.
Life coach,
You know, like sometimes when I move around, I have people who ask, "Oh, life coach, wakadzidza upenyu kupi wewe kuti uzokocha vanhu? How can you?
27 years,
How can you be a life coach? Wakaona chii?" But one thing about life coaching, a coach is not a player.
Right.
Sekuru handizivi kana muchiona bhora.
I'm sure. Chele kamabhinya.
Chele mabhinya handiti.
Nealenda zibhoso ndodzawo.
Imi munotogona kutoita coach.
Ndizvozvo.
But muground kuti mupinde, it's something else.
Something else.
One thing about coaching is all about knowledge.
Uh-huh.
You have to be someone who is very knowledgeable. It's about the content, kuziva zviripo.
Right.
So a coach is someone who thrives on knowledge.
Right.
Tikutaura someone who is well researched, someone who has managed to invest in that particular field or area. So aufanire kunge uine your personal experience to be a coach.
All right.
Yes, just take example yoiye kubhora kuti coach atambe. But anotoudza munhu anotamba. So a coach is someone who can unlock the potential that is in someone.
All right.
Ndo basa ra life coach riripo. You can be trained, and it's something changa chichimbonetsa kugamuchira. Especially in Zimbabwe. Coaching is very familiar to America. It's been there for more than 40 years now.
All right.
Yes, people actually subscribe to that. Vanhu vanonzwisisa about life coaching. In Zimbabwe, it's a new field that has not been yet discovered. You know, it's something chakatanga in the early 2000s.
All right.
Tukutaura about between 18 to 20 years.
Right.
Yes, people started embracing coaching in Zimbabwe. And as for me, I am completing mid-July professional certified coaching. I am being trained by one of the best coaches in the world, Grandmaster Coach Duri.
Wow.
Of International Coaching and Mentoring Foundation.
Is he in Zimbabwe?
Here in Zimbabwe, Karigamombe, 13th floor.
Yes,
to be trained to be a life coach.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So there are various niches in life coaching. There is parenting coaching. There is life coaching, smart teens. You know, my teenager, my 2K.
Yes.
Executive coaching, financial coaching, business coaching, relationship coaching, public speaking, grooming, etiquette and deportment. There is a lot. Every area, you can need a life coach to train you.
Okay, yeah. Relationship coaching. Life coach MASIGALE.
Yes.
The player to every year. Was such Sekuru. Ndukusana nyaya dzakawanda mudare dzandikura dzikuspinda mudare dzakawanda zvikuru. Tine nyaya yema divorce cases.
True.
Macourts every day amanya dzema divorce cases.
That's very true.
Kuti kuma separation mbona rungorambana atizivi zvekufamba sei. Kuti vanhu vasakurana zvakanaka pekutanga here kachichiitika atizivi. Ingonyaya yekuti inosanana nemadare. Kuita nyaya yezvimwe zvikuru ikundisiririsa nyaya yemasuicide.
That's true.
Unonzwa nanga azviuraya aona mukadzi ane chikomba kana ana murume ane girlfriend kana akadya mari through soccer betting. Pane muprista uyanza aitamba chindege atozvizwa kuti mari amai mwana ndaenda inini. You know, recently pane mwana wechikoro 13 years akanyimwa mari yekuenda kutrip 18 kutozviuraya. Ndikunyaya yatusangana zvakare munyaya yekutinetsa imisa life coach anozotibatsira panyaya iyoyo. Yetatu ndeyenyaya yedrug and substance abuse among us our teens. Chitori serious zvekutodaro zvekutoti pamwe chete ndomboenda kwandakakurira ndichifamba kuenda ndosangana navanhu vadiki vakutopita fodya wadoro ita sei those things. Ndomamwe machallenges atusangana nawo. Imisa life coach kana muda kutidzidzisawo panyaya idzidzisewo toitawo senyaya dzisa life coach. Dzidzisai Sekuru, dzidzisai ruzhinji, dzidzisai nyika tidzwe.
That's very true.
Sure.
So one thing about life coaching, vanotaura kunyanya veutano vanoti prevention is better than cure.
Right.
So coaching focuses mainly on the present and the future.
The future.
Chatinotarisa isusu ku life coaching kunongedzera munhu kuti apo pane gomba jamba usadona handiti. This is help iripo muupenyu. There is also counseling, but kana takutarisa kucounseling tikuti munhu adona takuda kumusumudza. Now this is post-event intervention. Yes, but ku life coaching we want to avoid zvinhu zvisati zvaitika. For example, nyaya yemadivorce yamuri kutaura, there is a lot surrounding chinhu chinonzi divorce. It's not an easy decision kuti wakamboti till death wozongoti handishazvigone. You know, it takes a lot for someone to make that decision. And it's very sad. Ma statistics akutaura kuti 5 marriage Sekuru, 1 is likely to end in divorce. Tikutaura kuti 20% marriage ari kuparara. So this is a very big figure, and whilst there is a lot, I managed to do my research. Why zvinhu izvi zviri kuitika, and mareasons achona akawanda zvese zvekuita. And the funny thing is poverty, nhamo, nzara iri pa number 3 pa top 10 yemareasons edivorce. Imagine. So there is a lot surrounding my issues and we need to tackle them. Atikwanise kurwisa chatisingaone. So we need to check kuti vanhu vari kudivorce, what has happened. But as a life coach, ndo panozopinda relationship coaching and marriage coaching. You can actually be taught how to handle a relationship, how to be in a relationship, and what kind of a relationship, and even the marriage. But sevanhu takakura tisina that guidance. And it's something chiri silly kuti ungadzidziswa kupfimba musikana, ungadzidziswa kupinda relationship, chicha ungada kudzidziswa. So ndo imwe challenge iripo yekuti coaching has not been embraced. Zvinhu zvisati zvagamuchirika, kunyanya parenting coaching. It's the most resisted in Zimbabwe. Vabereki they feel kuti kana ndaita mwana wangu ndotogona kumukudza. So I cannot be taught to be a parent. Ini ndirini ndakabereka. Yes. So ndo nyaya iripo. Whilst tisingazive zvese, we are not ready to accept the teaching. Ndo pane nyaya iripo.
Suicide chichura nyama suicide.
Now suicide takatarisa kunyanya kudivire psychology, tichinyatsoongorora pfungwa dzevanhu. Chino drive munhu into suicide, zvinhu zviri mukati make. Yes. Now ku psychology we say suicide is the inability or the failure to forgive oneself. Kuziuraya, kukonewa kuziregerera iwe semunhu. This is judgment. This is self-condemnation. So tiri kuda kutraya kubatsira munhu ane pfungwa dziri maari dzinomuudza kuti iwewe hauregerereki, iwewe wavhura hombe isingavhariki, iwewe hauchisina ramangwana, there is no hope for you. So chiripo pa suicide, we need to externalize what has been internalized. Nyaya iripo ndekuzama kubuditsa zvaiswa mukati. We need to create a safe space for people. What do we do? Munhu ada kuzuraya nechikwereti, but aufire ichocho. You see, so panodiwa kubatsirwa vanhu zvakanyanyisisa kuti kana zvadai, how do you handle that?
How do you come out of this
problem?
How do
you come out of this problem?
Talk to someone.
Talk to someone. Mabhazi anotonyora mawindow, emergency exit. In case of emergency, knock out the panel. Window harina kugadzirirwa kuputsika. But patinosvika panguva yekumanikidzika, what do we do? So that's what we need to do. When it comes to suicide, we need to train people. How do you handle my cases?
How to avoid?
There's still hope. There is still hope.
Then this drug and substance abuse. So life coach will do coach. It's
sad. It's very sad. It's very sad. Now, tichitasa issue drug and substance abuse. Nyaya inotyisa. My statistics antaura kuti 57%. Tatopfura half kapa Sekuru.
Tatopfura half.
Yema youth in Zimbabwe, they are into drug and substance abuse.
Don't say that, please.
The leaders of today and tomorrow. Ndo zviri kuitika. So whilst there are a lot of issues surrounding stress, we look at the economy, zviripo, chiri kushaikwa is that guidance. Chiri kushaikwa is something to cultivate potential iri mumunhu. Sekuru, if you know the former president of United States of America, President Barack Obama.
Right.
Yes. Did you know at one point he was into smoking and drinking?
All right.
Obama used to smoke.
Okay.
He used to drink. Very heavy. But one day, Arimu Club, he met this life coach, vanonzi Mrs. Albert.
Wow.
Mozosvaga pa internet Sekuru.
All right, Sekuru.
Vachitaura na Mrs. Albert abva ati inini ndoda kuita senator. Mrs. Albert vakati, I can help you. There is so much potential in you as a political figure. Vakatanga kushanda. As a life coach, vachibatsirana, mbichana. She helped him kuquita smoking,
Right.
kuquita drinking. Munhu anga ine vision yekuita senator. Through a life coach, akaona more potential. He became a president.
All right.
Not just a president, but the first black president of the United States of America. So life coaching is there to take out even zvisingaonekwe. What you see, there is always something bigger. So
Right.
chiri kudiwa is that guidance. Let's do my seminar. Let's do my workshop. Dare Sekuru, dedzai vazukuru tikurukure about this.
All right.
Madrugs, pamwe pacho kushaya zvekuita. Ngazvivepo, mwikana ngaivepo, and people can do better, I do believe.
Wakambomerera muzukuru uri mudare so. Ndosandiri kuita izvozvo.
Ndauya kudarira Sekuru.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so grateful.
Thank you, Sekuru.
We come to the end of our second segment of Sekuru Hwesa Talks. When we come back, we'll look at Mabel MASIGALE as a certified public speaker. And it was already good. Chipo munacho amasiziva.
Aiwa, ndinotenda Hwesa.
Totenda muzukuru.
Masviita Sekuru.
Sure. Welcome again to the third and final segment of Sekuru Hwesa Talk, your number one talk show, the most vibrant talk show in the country. Today, we have got Mabel MASIGALE. Amasiziva, you as a certified public speaker. And certified
Pani mapepa apa.
Tell us, someone will want to say, maybe I want to be a certified public speaker as well. What does it take for one to be called a certified public speaker?
Wow.
Tell us the story.
Yes, thank you, Sekuru. Being a certified public speaker is something that I move about with honor.
Right.
It's one of the most celebrated credentials and accolades in my life.
Wow.
As for me, I started public speaking at a young age in grade 6.
Grade 6.
Primary school.
Wow.
I was already doing public speaking speeches during prize giving days.
Right.
It carried on high school. My English teacher was the patron for the debate and public speaking club.
Which high school did you go to?
Christian Mambo High School.
All right.
For girls in Rosape.
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
So, panga pasina choice. We had to do public speaking because ndiyo subject ya teacher. And it's something that carried on up until high school. I went to college and basara mwari varauya. I would preach in university. And it's something that I did. But I felt like I can do this on a bigger scale.
Right.
Pane chidiki chese, tinokwanisa kuita chiombe.
Right.
That's when, through a Facebook advert, I bumped across advertisement here at the School of Public Speaking.
All right.
Yes. The director, Dr. Blessing Mandipira,
Right.
who trains public speaking in Zimbabwe, is one of the best. It is the best, actually, and the biggest institution.
Right. All right.
Yes. So I enrolled for
Public speaking.
masterclass last
Wow.
year in June.
June.
Yes. That's when I started. So the course is 6 weeks. They polish you and
Into a better public
into
speaker.
a better public speaker. I was being refined, and it was amazing because it was something that was in me already.
Okay.
And I met great people the networking right there is great.
Right.
Yes. So I did very well. I completed my course with a supreme distinction.
Amazing.
One of the best students ever
Amazing.
the School of Public Speaking has ever witnessed.
So here I'm with the greatness here with me today. It's so amazing.
I am humbled to say so.
Sure.
Yes. So from there was a competition.
Right.
The first ever Zimbabwe School of Public Speaking Championship.
Oh, these things happen in Zimbabwe.
Happening in Zimbabwe.
Okay.
And right here in Harare, Sekuru.
I suppose it's Jesus.
Just behind you.
All right.
Yes.
So you entered that competition.
I entered the competition.
Right.
Yes.
This year.
Last year.
All right.
Season 1.
Season 1.
It was amazing.
Okay.
You know, the experience of locking horns with the best.
The best in the country.
The best in the country.
Yes.
And we had the second round, we had the semi-finals, and we had the finals on the 7th of December at Celebration in Borodale.
Right.
Yes, and I was the first runner-up.
Wow.
I was number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So this year, are they going to have the same competition?
Yes, and they had another competition
Uh-huh.
this year that was going on. So it's something that will keep going. Season 1, season 2, and they have the vision.
Okay.
Yes, 1,000.
All right.
Now, at the School of Public Speaking, this year alone, 2025,
Right.
they are aiming at training 1,000 individuals. Public speakers.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
Fine. We've heard about that profession now. Where are you guys? Which job titles are you employed to do? What jobs do you do?
As a public speaker. As a public speaker,
Yes.
it's something that will put you ahead in life.
Okay.
It's something that sets you apart, especially as an individual, as an adult.
All right.
You have to know how to speak.
speak.
You have to
In
know how
public.
to speak. Yes. And at the School of Public Speaking, we say, speak your way to the top.
Ah.
It's a tool that can elevate someone.
All right.
Kungogona kutaura.
Pabasa pako, mchechi.
Everywhere you go.
Even in politics.
Yes.
Wherever you are.
You need to know how to
have
talk.
that skill.
And you know what? This is a rare skill.
Okay.
Not many people have it.
Sure.
According to statistics, they say 70% of the global population has glossophobia,
What's that?
the fear of public speaking.
All right. 70%.
In a fear.
Yeah.
So when you are a public speaker, you have a skill that only 30% of people have.
Life. Amazing.
The funny thing is, people fear public speaking more than they fear death. Munhu anototi zviri nani kufa pane kumira pamberi panhu ndichitaura.
Tipe vote of thanks. Tipe zvakati zvakati. Munhu anoda kudedera.
Munhu anodedera. You have witnessed it.
Ndinozamu munhu akanzi tiri kuchechi sometime when I was growing up.
Yes.
I grew up in going to church, you know, SDA, Adventist. So my Wednesday is Friday when tunamate mudzimba here.
Yes.
Achinambira so ansa munhu angati MC marambo yangu ini nonzi mbuya shadi.
Okay.
Vati tinamatirei maishorai. Wakamda shuma lines vanzi mbuya shadi atishukone chikubata. You know, so I'm beginning to understand now kuti
Yes.
munhu mwanda kumeuta ari pamberi pevanhu atauri anditi. So I know you have been trained to be a public speaker, but I think you unazvo mauri zvakare to be one such person.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes. So it's a skill that you really need, and you can venture into different fields.
Okay, using it.
Yes, you need it.
So there's a difference between public speaking and public relations.
Yes, but you cannot do public relations without public speaking. Because
so
you have to relate.
The interrelate.
Yes.
Okay. So then come back to you as an author. How many books have you written so far?
Okay. As an author, I am always writing.
Right.
Whenever I get the inspiration,
you write.
I write. I have my journals, and there's work in progress, something under construction. So this is my first book.
All right.
And that I managed to write and publish, and it's out. So I'm just gifting it to you, Sekuru. You can have it.
Wow.
This is yours. Buku iringarishande kudari.
Thank you, Guru.
But currently I am...
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're welcome, Sekuru.
I'm honored.
You're welcome. Currently, I am working on 2 different pieces of literature.
Right.
I am a Christian author.
Okay.
Exclusively. My content is for Christians.
Okay.
Yes, even non-Christians. But
also,
if you are to receive my content, unotosangana nema-Bible verse.
Okay, all
That's
right.
inevitable.
All right.
So I am working on something for the children. I am also a Sunday school teacher.
Wow.
So I'm working on a children's Bible storybook.
You go to which church?
The United Methodist Church.
Oh, UMC.
UMC, Babu, Mayuna. That's the church that wonderful. I go to, yes. Yeah. But I'm a child of God.
Okay.
I do believe in fellowship of the body of Christ.
Right.
So don't be surprised if you see me in another church.
Okay.
I'm a child of God after all. So I'm working on a children's Bible storybook. Something that is easier for them to understand and to consume. You know, the Bible can be overwhelming. Tukutasa mwanani 7 years.
Right.
Anogona kutadza kuverenga Habakkuk.
Okay.
But shoko raMwari rotaura kuti vakudze vana munzira dzavanonangisa. Saka kana mwana achikwanisa kuona makatuni achinzwisisa SpongeBob, ngatimupei Christian material akwanise kuabsorba kubva ari mudiki.
From that, all right.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm working on a children's Bible storybook, and as a life coach who is a Christian author, I am working on something for the adolescents.
All right.
I'm writing a book.
Matinzi
waya ma 2K.
Oh, manaka.
They are not bad.
All right.
They just need the guidance.
The guidance.
So why not guide them before they fall than waiting to write them mistakes and want to correct them.
Okay.
So it's a life coaching book for adolescents that I'm also working on.
All right. Thank you so much for coming today. I hope to have you again next time.
I would appreciate it.
I'd like to wish you well in your journey.
Thank you.
In your endeavors.
Thank you.
In your literature. In your researches.
Yes.
In your own personal life as an individual.
Thank you, Sekuru.
When are we expecting a wedding? Are you married?
Not yet.
Not yet. But something is in the making.
Tinotaura kana mombe dzauya Sekuru.
Sekuru Mabel akamira sei? That one, that class later akamira sei? Vanondineta zvekuti Sekuru wangu wavo vanozvidzukira vega. Hanzi mombe dziri kumbobikwa. Musikana murikuona hapana fenza, so the early bird gets the fattest worm. A tip from Sekuru. We'd like to thank you again for today's show. We'd like to take to Tunga Graphics. I figured that Sekuru Tunga. This guy does great designs.
Wow.
Great posters, great designs. Sekuru, please. Thank you so much. Thank you, Zimbabwe. Until next time on Sekuru Hwesa Talks, your host is Hwesa Masango. Thank you so much, Masigale. Until next time, Sekuru.
Thank you.
Thank you for the book.
Thank you, Sekuru.
Be blessed.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ona